Hey folks, welcome back to Kombucha Library TV, aka the internet's least derivative kombucha review show. I am your host, Tim Zahavich. Zahavich. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lightning Show. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's get right to it. I have with me here today a bottle of kombucha that I'm going to pour into a glass, put it in my mouth, taste, tell you what it's like. This is cherry and coriander kombucha, and I'm very excited about it. I love the color already. It's just so rich, so deep, and I'm really excited to see how this one turned out. So why don't we get the splash guard going, because, come on, you already know what. And we'll see what happens. Oh, that's great. Love that noise already. Folks, let me tell you how I am so excited to hear that very nice little tss. You get that? Tss. It's just a tss. Love that. Cherry coriander into the glass. Smells great. Smells wonderful. Very, very rich. It's got that good cherry flavor that is, I'm not the biggest fan of cherry. I'll just be straight up with you right now. But I really like the way that this smells already. It doesn't remind me of cough syrup in any way, shape, or form, which is a good thing. Great nose. Time for a little sippy sip. Okay. Feeling good. It's not industrial. It doesn't taste like a lollipop or like a Slurpee would if it was cherry flavored. It does truly taste like just straight up fresh cherries, which is what it is. I just had a bunch of cherries that I pitted, mashed them up, and let it ferment with the kombucha in the secondary fermentation process. And the coriander is a little bit weak. Obviously, I'm missing something with the spice game in my brewing, but I still think that this is a very nice, very refreshing brew. It's quite hot here right now at Kombucha Library TV Studios, and this is cooling me down really nicely. And it's not overly sweet. It just has the essence of a cherry, which, come on folks, if the cherry isn't on top, at least you get the essence and then you're in business. So yeah, give this like 6 cherries out of 5 or something like that. I don't know. Dan, is that a metric we should use? No? Never mind. Leave it in. Anyways, folks, this has been the Lightning Show. Thank you very much for coming on the journey with me, and we'll see you next time.